Hi there, and welcome to your new charcuterie pricing calculator. We're so glad to have you here. I am Patty, and my sister Andrea is there. I'm the one on the left, Andrea is the one on the right. We're really happy to have you here. I am basically the digital marketer in the family, and my sister is the chef. I am so thrilled to have you here as we roll out a brand new amazing business for people who love to make charcuterie boards and sell them. Our goal here is to help you get through all of the challenges, and we know that one of the first challenges you have is pricing your charcuterie board. And then we're going to help you through if you want the help, we're going to help you through any technology help you need to get your business online. Everything from promoting it through a website, through landing pages, helping you to create leads, and all of those fun things that you need to grow your business, and most importantly to be able to do online billing and scheduling all in one foul swoop. We have a product that we're rolling out to you, and by the time you see this it might already be out. If not, you're going to keep an eye on it. So we want to make sure that you join our Facebook group. I'm actually going to scroll up. If you've missed this, join our Facebook group here. It's called Start Your Charcuterie Business. Make sure that you're clicking that button right there while you're in here so that you can be on top of it. And even if you've already started your business, that's cool, because we're going to be able to help you along the way with other things that might help you grow. If you're at all interested, we have a lot of free tips that we're going to be providing, and then if you're interested at all, we've got workshops coming, and there's just a lot going on, and of course all the templates and software that you need, and the training, because that's what I do. And my sister Andrea here will be here. We don't have the video because I'm recording it for you right now, but my sister Andrea will be here for you to help you through any of the food related things, and I'm going to help you with all the marketing and technology. We live in Arizona, both of us do, and we're really excited to be here to help you grow your business. All right, the calculator. All of the white boxes are editable, so when you get down in here, you'll be able to see that. I also want you to make sure that you understand where you're going to start and how everything works in here, so I'm going to scroll down here. The first tip I'm going to give you is to use this on a desktop. This is basically a table that actually another family member of ours, my brother Kevin, who is a technology whiz, actually built for us, and so we put it into this page for you. So we told him exactly what we wanted this to do for you, and we've created it, and we can edit this. So if there's anything that you think you'd like to have added to this, just reach out and let us know in the group, and we'll add it for you to the calculator if we think it makes sense. All right, so let's go down in here and see what it looks like. Now, every time you can use this anytime you want, so just come back to this particular URL that we have for you, and you can just refresh it. So let's say you're testing it out, or you want to use it, and today you've got 30 people coming, and then next week you've got 100 people coming. You'll just come back to the site, and as long as it's been refreshed, it will refresh, and you can just start from scratch. We've put in some numbers for you to get started, but you certainly can change anything that is in the white boxes. Those are things that you can actually edit. So if I click inside, that white box, I can actually type over, or basically get rid of what this is. So we're going to click in there. For some reason it doesn't show it. Just click a couple times in there. Let's say we have 75 people coming to this event. We're going to click 75, and if you tab over, it will automatically start loading in the numbers. Now, we have preset these numbers that are here based on what we believe is the amount that you might want to add to your board. However, if you think 2 ounces per person is not enough, you can click in here and change that out. Okay, and you'll notice that the amounts over here are going to update every time you do that. So if I go here and say, oh, I only want 2 ounces of cheese, I'm going to switch it there. So you can change these all you want. That's based on this. By the way, this medium, or this size here, is we're putting the amounts recommended here on this site, so you can see basic standard size for these tables and what we recommend. But again, you can use any size boards you want, but it's just giving you some recommendations so you can get started. So you'll fill these out. All the white areas, as I said, are editable. So if you don't want to offer salami and you want to maybe offer bologna, whoops, I forgot, I know how to spell it, bologna, you can actually put that in. Not that anyone really puts bologna on their charcuterie board, but maybe you do. Maybe there's kids in the group and they love it, okay? So what you're going to want to do here in this column is put in the amount that you think the price is in your neck of the woods or that you've researched. When you do that, it's automatically going to load up what we recommend. Now, these numbers right here are based on the total amounts that are here. So if it says we need 14.1 ounces based on this head count, then this is always going to stay 14.1 and everything is going to adjust. So let's say I don't want, or I want to add some more, some other kind of meat to it. What could I put? Let me just put Italian sausage in here. I don't know. I'm not the cook here, but, and I'm going to put in, I don't know, $4 a pound. Now, you'll notice that all these numbers change, and this tells you how much you need to purchase based on that number, which again is based on that number, which comes from that number. Does that make sense? So this is pretty much the case all the way through. Now, when you do this and you're putting in the prices here, which you'll want to do for all your items, and this goes for all these sections I'm going to show you, then these will all update, and this is the amount of the total cost of that particular product. In this case, it's the cost of all the meats. So you'll see how that works. And it goes for all of these same sections down here. All of these same sections down here with the ingredients act the same. Now, if I come down here, you can add more. You can take stuff off if you don't want those in there. Just make sure that this is zeroed out. If you take something in here or you just don't want to use pistachios, that's fine. Just take it out. Or you can just put 0 here and it will just make a 0. And then you'll know that how much you need, right? Because you didn't put anything in. So that's fine. You can do that. And it's just going to keep this number correct. All these numbers right here are going to add up at the bottom, and we'll show you that in a minute. Down here in the packaging area, you can put pretty much anything in here. It doesn't need to be necessarily packaging. It could be anything that you want to put in here, but you know how much you need to purchase or what you're going to do. So let's say maybe you've got a delivery cost that you want to add in. You could do that by just putting in delivery, and you want to add in, whatever you're going to charge for delivery. Just put 1 here, and then here the price is going to be $20 for delivery. So you can add that in here if you want to. So just something to consider, just kind of everything that you want to throw in the kitchen sink. So you can do that here if you want, or replace out. So again, you can replace all of these things. This is really just for your reference as you're trying to figure out what you're doing with your board. And then you'll come down here. Now we've got the total cost, so it's already figured it out right here based on all of these numbers. And so now we say, oh, well, maybe we want to charge 70% over the cost. So we're going to watch these numbers right here, and you'll see everything change. The expenses don't change, but the total suggested list price does, or list price. I'm a realtor by heart, so I'm going to say list price because I'm talking about houses. I'm talking charcuterie boards now, right? Okay, so you'll just put the number in and click tab here, okay, and that will get you the answer that you need for it, and you've got all the numbers here. So again, just remember, you can use these boxes for anything you really want. You can change out everything you want, okay? Now, if there's anything that you need in addition to this, make sure to reach out, because we provide all the software, all the tools, all the billing systems, everything you need to get your business online, and we're really happy to be helping you out. This is exciting. I've got over 30 some years, don't tell me, you don't want to know how old I am, but I got over 30 plus years of marketing and sales experience, and my sister has even just as much. She's a little younger than me, as just as much in cooking and selling. She does her own online business. She's got all kinds of things going. We have a ton of experience, and we're here to help you. We've got all kinds of free resources we're going to give you, and make sure to join our workshops, because we're here to help you grow your business from boards all the way through the technology and the sales and the marketing. So reach out if there's anything we can help you with. Make sure that you join our group, and we will be in there to help you out on a daily basis. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for downloading the Charcuterie Calculator.